Hi, my name is Diego Santillon Silva. For this key activity, I decided to make an experiment on a rocket balloon with the third law of Newton. So, the third law of Newton is action and reaction. This law states that when you apply some force on an object to the second object, then the second object will produce an equal force depending on the magnitude of the force you apply at first. So what is the objective of this experiment? The experiment is a demonstration of the principle of action and reaction, which constitutes Newton's third law of motion. It says that whenever a body exerts a force on another, this in turn exerts a force on the first in that they equal in the magnitude and direction, but in the opposite direction to the force exerted by the body. For example, if you apply force to an object this way, it will be equal the force this object will apply, but to the other way. So my hypothesis on this balloon project is that maybe by inflating the balloon, we fill it with air at a higher pressure than the atmospheric. So then if we release the mouth of the balloon, the atmospheric pressure will crush the elastic walls of the balloon, and the air that is inside of the balloon will come out at top speed and will make the balloon go through the rope. So the materials we need for this experiment is a rope for of several meters, two places to tie the ends of the rope, like I don't know, two sticks to tie the rope, and several balloons because you're gonna need a lot, a straw, a pair of scissors, and scotch tape. So variables and procedure. So we will pass the string to the inside of the straw at first. Then we will tie the rope on the two locations you have chosen, making sure it is tight. Then we will fill up the balloon with air. We won't tie the balloon, just hold it by the head of the balloon. Then tie it with the tape we had before a straw to the balloon. We will have to tape it correctly, otherwise it will blow up and when the force is applied to it. Place the rocket in the starting position, let the air escape, and the rocket will shoot up. So by doing this experiment, these were my results. As you can see, by the length of the rope and maybe increasing or decreasing the circumference of the balloon, it will increase or decrease the distance. It also depends on the position you are holding and other factors. Well, my conclusion and variables were that the hypothesis we made at first was correct, but if we apply too much air on the balloon, maybe it will go like crazy and don't go anyway. Or two, if we apply like less air and we have a good positioning, it will go all the way through the rope. So also I apply a variable with nitrogen that I state that maybe if I hit the balloon with nitrogen in it, it will go like faster. But no, it actually explodes or goes like crazy around the rope. But yeah, the state that the third law of Newton, that action and reaction, makes that applying a force to one object will cause the same effect on another object is correct. Thank you.